What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to an empty garage. If you guys have been following along, some of you will probably already know that I am actually moving out of this house. So I already sold my F3335. The M3 is actually pending sale, and the house I'm actually closing on tomorrow. So this house is going to be no more. As you guys can see, the garage is already empty. The whole house is empty, and about to do a final walkthrough with the new owners. So I figured I'd take you around the house just to show you guys what the current house looks like. And because I will be taking you guys through the new build process on the new custom home that my fiance and I will be building. So figured I'd show you guys what this house looks like. So let's take you guys for a little tour. All right, guys, starting off with the front of the house here. So this is technically it's a 5-level house, multi-level, 4-bed, 2.5 bath. It's about 3,200 square feet or so. As you can see, it's got a 3-car garage, side entry, and then we've got this carriage garage here on the side, which you guys have seen plenty of. Unfortunately, the grass is not the greatest, plus I had to move all my stuff out of here, so I no longer have my blower, so it is what it is. But here's the front porch area. All right, so I'll take you into the front here first. So this is kind of my entryway, and I'll insert some pictures in here of what it looked like with furniture and everything, but this is our dining room. This could also be a kind of a office area. Over here we've got a half bath, so I did some shiplap. This was a COVID-19 quarantine project. Also did some custom shelves there. And like I said, dining room, I put that light fixture in. And then this is the main hallway to the main area. So 2-story great room here. I love that chandelier. That's unfortunately staying. Kitchen. And so I built this house about 5.5 years ago. So been here ever since. Also built those floating shelves there. I'll give you guys a little tour of the backyard. I was in the process of doing a deck, but submitting plans to the county and stuff, but didn't get that far. I did plant 22 of those arborvitae trees there to try to block some neighbors a little bit, but again, the grass is not the greatest, unfortunately, but I'm not very good at lawn maintenance, so that'll be something I have to teach myself in the next house. But this is about a half-acre lot here. Gas fireplace. So when I say that this is a 5-level house, this is the main level here, obviously. So nice large kitchen, big island, stainless steel appliances, Samsung, Whirlpool, Samsung, and then the dishwasher over here is also Whirlpool. So I'm not sure that I would buy those same appliances again. Probably do something a little bit nicer on the next house, but I also installed these pendant lights here. This is a small pantry. It's actually pretty decent sized. Wouldn't really call that a walk-in, but additionally, all of the drawers and doors and everything are soft close, so all these lower ones have these pull-out little shelves here. So everything's soft close hinge. As you guys can see, and I've got some under cabinet lighting, above cabinet lighting. Looks really cool at nighttime. So again, multi-level house here. So this is the main level. Additionally, we have this mudroom here, which I was going to build out. And then that leads to the garage. This is just a coat closet, but we'll go down these steps here. So this is halfway underground. This is a giant bonus room, rec room, whatever you want to call it. It's basically a second family room. This was more of my theater room area, so I had a big entertainment console here. Got some speakers that I put in there, and I do have wired for ceiling speakers. Additionally, you might see in the corner there's a security camera. So I did pre-wire this house with some PoE, I think there were 3 megapixel cameras. So it's got a 2 terabyte IVR system. So the whole house, I think there's 8 different cameras. 2 of them are inside, and the 6 are on the outside. So there's a nice drink ledge there, but I had this as a little bar area. Don't forget the vacuum lines, people. That's what happens when you're a little OCD. But this is 9-foot ceilings down here. This first floor is 8-foot ceilings, and then the 2-story great room I think is 18 feet. So this is technically the basement, unfinished. It's more of like a kind of like a half basement because again that bonus room is halfway underground, so it kind of cuts into the space for the basement. But overall, it's still very large. I did pay extra for a bump out in the morning room upstairs, which then in turn gave me a bump out here in the basement. So that's an additional 4 feet of storage space. And then I before drywall, I basically ran all of my Ethernet cables in this house by myself. And everything comes down to here, and I was going to drywall this and kind of make this a little tech station, whatever you want to call it. But my camera system's there. There's a rough-in for a bathroom here, which I never got around to. Pretty large basement though. Sump pump, electrical panel, there's a stationary tub, water heater, furnace, all that good stuff. So down here, this is also 8 feet. If I were to do this again, I'd probably do 9 feet minimum. So after you build a house, you kind of learn the things that you wish you could have done. It was definitely a learning experience, but overall I think I did a pretty good job on this house. But yeah, so this is the basement, pretty large. I'll take you guys upstairs. All right, so back in the kitchen again, and then we'll go up another level. Another set of stairs. So this is the 3rd level, and this one has just the master bedroom. And this has 9-foot ceilings here. And it does have his and her closet, so that was my closet over there. That's kind of like a sitting area, which I never used. My bed was here in the middle. So this is technically another level. They consider this a level. This and the laundry room, which is right outside the master, is technically another level. So that would be level 4. And as you can see, it's got a large soaking tub, tile, nice big shower with a bench. And then we've got the commode over here. And again, his and her closet. So this is her closet, pretty large. And then dual vanity here. It does have a little makeup station. You can put a little bench there, whatever. So I will miss this house, I'll say that. All right, so that's that room. So on that same level is the laundry room. And another quarantine project. I put some cabinets up here. Also did a couple floating shelves there as well. Let's see, this is also a little linen closet here. It's really nice having the laundry room here close to all the bedrooms, so I would like to try to do that on the next house. As you can see, here's the view from this level here. Love this 2-story great room. Spent a lot of time here. I spent a lot of time down in the bonus room, mostly for TV and stuff, but for entertaining when we had guests over, we're pretty much in this area. But so then we'll go up one more level. This is the 5th level. And up here there are 3 bedrooms and a bath. So this is gonna be the largest spare bedroom. Pretty large, and it does have a really big walk-in closet back there. So that is probably the biggest closet in the house. It was an option to make that a bathroom, but I opted for the large closet instead. So we'll back out, go this way. This is bathroom, full bath, dual vanity, tub, shower, toilet. So all 3 of these bedrooms up here will share this one bathroom. But I don't have any kids, so obviously none of these rooms were ever used at all. I don't think I slept in any of these other rooms. This is another spare bedroom with a closet. All these rooms are pretty large. And then this is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms up here. I used this primarily as an office. I did have a futon there just in case we did have guests, but that never was the case. So had a big L desk right here. And then same thing, there's a little closet right there. So backing out, this is the view from here. And it's crazy how much builders nickel and dime you for everything, because in order to have this not be a wall. This came standard as a wall, all this drywall. And so in order to have this open, I had to pay extra for them to not install a wall and to put, you know, more railing and spindles here. So, but I totally think that was worth doing. It makes the room look, or the area look so much bigger, especially when you're down there looking up. I just like the open feel. So really, really usable house, especially if you got, you know, kids. And that was my plan was, you know, once I popped out a couple kids, that this would be a really functional house. So that's pretty much a tour of my current house. I did have a hashtag on Instagram, Thompson's Turf, if you want to go check out some of those pictures too. But again, I will be building a new custom home, so I will be using some ideas from this house. I do really love this layout, but it is quite a bit of space that we don't currently need. So, you know, finding a new custom home design, floor plan is kind of been a difficult thing for me because there's not a single one that I've totally fallen in love with. Every single one that I like, I have to alter a little bit and change the plans around, but that's the joy of having a custom house. So I'm really excited for that build process. I will miss this house tremendously. A lot of good times, bad times in this house, but overall this house has been really, really good to me. I haven't really had any issues with this house at all, and would have loved to stay here a little bit longer, but the way the cards were dealt, we found some land, and I've always been wanting to build a custom home. So again, we're building about 5 minutes away from here, so very, very close. We like this area, so we didn't want to stray too far, and the lot that we purchased is 1.73 acres, so I'm gonna have a lot more grass to maintain, and hopefully I can do that. But yeah, really love this house. So if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns about this particular house or the layout or anything going on in my life at the moment, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.